Hey everyone, JP here. It's November 5th, which means this Sunday is the open house, November 11th, from 1 to 4. Families can stop for 30 minutes, they can come for 3 hours, totally up to them. But we want you to spread the word. You guys have been doing awesome. A lot of you have come and gotten these yard signs and put them in your yard. Some of you have even shared it on social media, which is such a great idea. I want to invite the rest of you, if you haven't done this yet, if you feel like you're in an area that can spread the word, please put the sign in your yard. And once you do, I have some gifts to give you. If you've already put your sign in your yard and you send me the pictures, please come see me and collect one of these amazing items. Check these things out. A Walden journal. Or maybe you want a Walden Rubik's Cube. Maybe you prefer some Walden slime. Or maybe your thing's trees and you can grow your own pine tree. Everyone needs a pop socket for their phone. And of course, your very own Walden shopping bag. So all you have to do is put one of these signs in your yard, or anywhere in Louisville for that matter, and then come see me, and I'm going to give you one of these gifts to take home. We hope you can spread the word. If you want to come to the event, bring a family, bring some friends. We hope to see you and your friends there on Sunday, November 11th from 1 to 4 p.m. here at Walden.